Capsicum, getting big. We have tomatoes. Woohoo! Beautiful. Wow. It's like a jungle in here after not many weeks, maybe 5 or 6 weeks since my last video. Maybe not even that long actually. We have cucumbers. Beautiful, look at that. Amazing. Look at that, beautiful. Wow, so many cucumbers and tomatoes. The guys have really worked hard to get this up and running. Unfortunately, as I was looking after a bird, I missed them staking all this up. So I couldn't get it on video, but as you can see, they have done a lot. Dolomite clay. It's a good fertiliser. Tiny little baby watermelon by the looks of it. Cute.
Beautiful proper beans.
Oh yeah, they're different, aren't they?
Or the corn stuff, huh?
Right. Courgette flowers. So good to eat. Very, very tasty and good for you. Garden's coming along just magnificently, actually. Beautiful bright orange colour. And I'm here just doing some weeding in between the courgettes. Always plenty to do in the garden, especially on a nice sunny day like today. Very good just to leave the weeds on the soil where the plants are because it creates nitrogen, which is good. The plants love that. And yeah, as you can see, everything is booming.